Daycare life update and unboxing my daycare gift from my daycare family. So let's get started.
Hooray! I'm Melanie.
I'm Rowena.
And we are the Childcare Gurus.
Hooray! I'm Melanie. Welcome again to our YouTube channel. So for today's video is an unboxing of my gift from my daycare family. So before I do that, I just want to update you regarding my daycare life and daycare situation since the pandemic started. So I feel like I have to share it so that you have some idea what is the life of a daycare provider, especially during this hard time, right? So yeah, at the moment I only have one enrollee, and he comes here every week. But my daycare space, I am licensed for 6 children. So I am missing 5 children that I can take care of here in my home daycare. But unfortunately, some they have to leave, some they have to stay home, and some found a daycare that nearby their home, so it's accessible for them. So I understand that, and now I am really in a difficult situation that I have to look for families, and I have some things that I need to change everything so that I can find new families in my home daycare. So these are the things that I did and I am doing right now so that I can find the families that will be fit in my schedule and it will be fit on my services. So the first thing that I did is I changed my hours of operation. I need to be competitive, especially during this time. I need to up my game so that I can find families. So what I change is my working hours. Now I will be operating, when I get families, I will be operating with 2 periods, and I already told my coordinator about it. So changing my working hours into 6:30 to 5:30 as soon as I get new families in my care. So that's what my friend and my partner Wina, we talked about it, and we thought that this is a good idea to extend my hours, especially this difficult time. So that's the number one. So if you are one of the provider that having a hard time to find families because of this pandemic, maybe it's about time to look for your working hours and the families, and ask for families feedback if what hours will work for them. Maybe they're just looking for long period of time since their hours are changing, right? So we need to consider that. And second one would be I call schools nearby. I gave away my information of my daycare space. What are the space I am looking for? Is it full-time or part-time? What age range I am looking for? And then I gave away the information they need so that if they're someone asking for daycare spot, they can let me know or they can give my information. So it's another way in advertising, calling the schools nearby, or another thing is go to establishments near your house or your home daycare and look for this establishment that you can put your spaces, flyers, advertisements or word of mouth. Tell these businesses that you are a home daycare provider or educator that in need of families that will enroll on your care. So that's another thing that I did. And then another third one that I did is I posted, of course, in social medias. I made my video, a quick video of my enrollment and what I offer on my services as a home daycare provider. And I posted in KJG and some social groups in Facebook so that I can reach more families that might be interested on my spot. So those are the things that I did so that I will be able to find new families, new enrollees on my daycare. Luna. So yeah, that's the update of my daycare, and hopefully my partner can update you with her situation and her home daycare for the next video. Yeah, just let us know, comment down below. Make sure to give this a thumbs up and click that red button and ring that bell so that you will be notified if we have some videos. Excuse me. Okay, thank you, baby. I am talking. Thank you so much. that happened. Yeah, this is my life. This is my situation update of my home-based daycare. And yeah, since this family, so let's do the unboxing now. Yay! This family that I took care of their child for more than a year, they messaged me and they're just asking about me and my situation, my daycare situation, and then of course checking them to the child that I took care. And it's really sweet that they thought of giving me this gift. They delivered it in my home and put it on my doorknob and then messaged me. It is the sweetest. I just want to share you this experience that this is our life as a home daycare. Some families will appreciate you, some won't. Some will treat you are a business owner, some will treat you a family, some will treat you are their child's second parent. So there's different treatment that I got from my family. So this is really sweet and I want to share it to you. So there's note here. I want to show them the name. So for Melanie, thank you. Simple thank you makes a good feeling in my heart. I am really teary-eyed, but I'm trying to hold it because I love this family so much. I really love this family. Since they started here until the end, we had a good relationship. We are very vocal with what we need, with the services that I offer, with the program, their concerns here and there. It's a good relationship. It's amazing year of them being here in my care and being their home daycare provider. So yeah, without further ado, let's open this. And if you are excited, so I will open it now. I'm just very emotional when it comes to my daycare families and my job. Of course, it's a lot. I put a lot of my heart, my passion is there, my love for these families is there. I give myself with anything I do, and if you know me well, yeah, you will know that this is me. Yeah, I'm gonna open it. Yeah, now it's open. Okay, here. Oh my gosh! Write down your dreams, ideas, goals, things to do, and be motivated along the way. Aww, that's a great note.
Yes,
She believed she could. Oh, look at that. I always say that. Yeah. I always say this note, this quote. She believed she could, so she did. Oh, it's amazing. I love quote. I love really good, yeah, motivational, inspirational quote. And I love writing. So thank you very much. This is amazing. So next gift. Oh my gosh! This is so cute. The cutest. The cutest. One of my daycare family too gave me a Llama Notepad. Where's my notepad? Here. I have a Llama Notepad. Shout out to Jennifer Chen. Yeah, this is my notepad Llama. I've been using it. They know what I like. It's really amazing. So, this is so cute. Am I gonna use you? I'll just keep you. I have lots of notepads. I love writing so much and they really know it. So cute. Aloe Vera. My husband has a lot of aloe vera plants and I think they really know what we like, our family. And you can tell, right? I have lots of plants. My husband has a lot of succulents, aloes. What else? Yeah, cactus. We have a lot of cactus. So cute. This is so cute. Thank you very much. I love it. Lastly, there's a note. Aww, am I gonna cry? Oh my god. Thank you. This is the note. I'll open it and read it to you. I'll share this experience with all of you. Oh, just breathe. Oh, this is so long. It's a long note. Dear Melanie, thank you for an amazing experience and journey for the past 1.5 years at Mama Llama Daycare.
Wait, is that Mom?
Oh my god, I put makeup so that I don't look like a mess, but this is sweet. Your caring and thoughtful nature helped me become the person he is today. Your warmth, kindness, and positivity just shine through in the activities you plan.
Okay, Mom?
Oh, baby. The outings you take with the kids, and in the support you have given him and our family over these many months.
Okay, Mom?
We had a bit of a rough start, and being the overprotective new parents, we were unsure of how to proceed. Thank you, baby. You supported us and ensured us of our commitment to us and to our child, and I'm so glad that we listened and learned from you.
Okay, Mom?
I'm bad at goodbyes, so let this not be one.
Good.
Yes, baby. Let's keep in touch with photos and messages and play dates. It was awesome and inspiring to work with you. It was amazing. This is the sweetest. This is the good feeling that you get when you're providing care with the family that you really love. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. It's the tears of joy and I'm really gonna miss them. They have notes for Yuki and Luna. I'm gonna read it. Dear Yuki and Luna, thank you for being such helpful, supportive, amazing friends to my child. Through playing with him, having disagreements, showing that feelings are okay, and caring for him through the good and challenging times. You have shown him and guided him to be the best kid he can be. I hope in the future we can all hang out and have Luna together. We can have fun together with our family as part of your Mama Llama family. We love you both very much. We'll see you again soon. You make me cry. You're so sweet. I didn't expect this to So they kept saying that they will they will they will refer me to families that will need care, and that is really really helpful for my situation right now. So that's amazing, amazing. I'm sorry for being emotional. It is really hard to say goodbye with families that you took care of and you've been with for a while. This is our life. This is a daycare life that we have to pass by, and we have to embrace that changes. So I don't want to blame COVID right now, but it made a big impact in changes of my business and my life. Seriously, as a home daycare provider and a stay-at-home mom, that was an emotional and the sweetest note. Actually, I've been receiving a lot of notes and messages from these families that I took care of, and I treated them as my friends. And my second family, it's amazing that even we're not related, they express their love, and they're encouraging me to continue. Even it's hard. It's a hard career and profession, honestly, but it is rewarding when you accomplish and you receive some great notes like this and messages. So yeah, if you can relate, please feel free to comment down there, and yeah, let us know your story too. This is my life. This is my daycare life, as a home daycare provider. Thank you for watching, and I hope I inspire you to still continue and don't lose hope, because this is just a trial for us that is given, that we will surpass and we will pass and get up. Everything will be okay. It will be okay. Thank you to this. I can't say their name, but thank you so much. This I can't say anymore. Just expressing my love for all of you guys, for you, my daycare families that I had and I still have. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. You all are Mama Llama family. Yeah. Next time, thank you for watching. Bye.